me try it for the pounded yam. Let me see if it really works. We're just going to make use of all this food processor. Let's see if it really does what we expect, if it really pamper the yam. The most important thing to me is ogbono and egusi. If it does not blend it, let's see if we are going to settle for it or we're going to bundle it and send it back to sender. Okay guys, this was a night before. Baby girl was stressed. I couldn't make a video for everything, so we started up using this smoothie blender. So I add up my banana, avocado, my mango. I just wanted to make a natural ice cream for my son, introducing him to this avocado because he hasn't tasted the flavor of avocado before. Put my honey. I didn't use sugar as I'm trying to avoid sugar. So now I add up my milk, banana flavor, then I blend. Yes, it was good. So guys, we started the review on the blender because I know it would be easy to watch that night. Baby girl was tired. I don't need stress that night. Anyway, I packaged it. I put it inside my freezer for the next day. Now let's go for the food processor. This accessory was the flat slice. Yes, flat slice. Anyway, I sliced my cucumber into two because it was big. Now this is the carrot. Chop, 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 and it was done in a minute. Now this is the second accessory. I just switched to it. Now place it to the food processor. Chop, 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 chop. In a second, it was done, and this is the result. Now changing it to this grater that will give you that watery, smoothie fine in between chalk and smooth, and it really get the job done. And this is it. Now we're switching to this chopper, and it can be used for okra. This is the one we are going to be using for pando at the end of this video. Now this is it. Chop, 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 and it really get the job done. So this is the one I use. If you want it to be more smaller, you can use this one. Hey, this one are the chalky and chalkable. My dear, you really do your job. You try. This one are umbrella cutty. Oh boy, you really do your umbrella cutty. Slice and away. Now this one I use. If you want it to be more slimmer, you use this one. Hey! Oh, boy. Oh! God punish poverty. This one. Now this grader won't be like as usual. If you be sure you understand. Like, it go grade down. It go as in almost to blend. Very fine. You know what this one they do now? This one will carry it like tiger. So guys, like I said, I will not be using all this food. That's why you see them there. I just clean and wipe so I can have enough space. Like the kitchen is very tight. Anyway, we can manage it. What is smoothie blender without using it for smoothie? Now we are trying it. You can see it with your eyes. This is the result. Now we're moving to the next step. This is the next day, and I bring out, which is today, then I bring out the ice cream that I made for my son. It was looking nice. Yes, it is. Anyway, now this is the yam. Let's go to the ogbonge food processor to make yam. Benny, make a video of you using it to pan the yam. Look at it here. Oh yeah, watch. I'm just going to let it cool for some time before we try it. Remember, baby girl is watching her weight. Now this is our green smoothie that I'm just taking so I can have strength to do the do. Now it's cold. I just pour it inside the food processor. Then blend, 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 chop, chop, chop. Now it's ready. You can see it by yourself that it blend pounded yam. Now look at it, blend yam, make it into pounded yam. Now this is it. It's looking really nice. Yes, we must say. So these are all the things it really does perfectly. Now let's move to okra. So this is the okra. I just cut it into 3 pieces or 2 pieces. Now I pour it into the food processor. In a minute, it was yum. You guys know that Nigeria, especially with Nigeria, if we're getting the blender, there is one particular one that is most important to us. Like if you can't find that in the Nigeria market chain, umbano. Anyway, let's move into the main gist. So guys, this is the main reason I purchased this blender, ogbono and egusi. I didn't even know. I would have tried it first using this, using it to make ogbono or egusi before even trying every other one. I wouldn't have even tried the rest if this one is not working, because this is what I am looking for. So I hope you watch this video to this extent so you know if you are to purchase it or not. For me, I think it's a no, because if I can't blend my ogbono myself or egusi, there is no need for blender. So to my own, I think this blender is recommended to someone who do not blend ogbono, or you normally blend your own from Africa before you transport it to wherever you are. So this is me just dancing can see after the whole disappointment that this doesn't work for my ogbolo. It does not blend it to what I want. It might be good in every other ones like coffee, every other dry stuff, almond, but if you can't blend ogbolo or egusi, I think it's not what I want. And before you purchase this product, I hope you watch this session so you make the right decision if you are to buy this or not. And the reason why I'm adding every other one, so you can see what it does better, like the vegetable, carrot, cucumber, the rest vegetable and the rest are still good, and the smoothie blender too is good. This is me just doing small mebo for my husband, telling him that I have a lot of Niger product that I add to my chart because of the lot of accessory that come with this one. I just went to do stubbornness to try it. Anyway, it's all good. I hope my next blender comes soon so I can make my favorite soup. For those of you recommending buchi, I have chat them for over 2 months now. They say it's out of stock in the UK. So what can I do? I have to eat. Anyways, bye guys. See you in my next video.